System errors causing the Qqlive.dll DLL crashes in Tencent Video? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before starting the detailed Qqlive library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Qqlive library, a core execution library for the Tencent Video Qqlive platform. It manages localized video streaming buffers and DRM. If missing, the application will fail to stream high-definition content, often reporting a codec initialization failure or network module missing. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. It's important to note that Qqlive DLL is installed as part of Tencent Video and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Tencent Video from the official source will restore the correct version of Qqlive library to your PC. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Qqlive library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Qqlive DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Qqlive library. To keep Qqlive library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.